We're gonna have some morels for dinner.
Welcome back to our adventures in the wilderness. Today, we had set out on a quest to find fiddlehead ferns. But guess what? Mother Nature had a surprise in store for us. As we explored deeper into the woods, we stumbled upon a hidden treasure, a single mushroom. But not just any mushroom. We struck gold with the one, the only morel. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with morels, they are like Mother Nature's hidden gems. They're prized by mushroom enthusiasts all over the world for their exquisite taste and unparalleled culinary potential. Today, we're embarking on a mushroom hunting adventure like no other, all thanks to this unexpected twist. Before we delve deeper into our thrilling mushroom hunting adventure, it's important to emphasize the golden rule of foraging. Always prioritize safety. Remember, while the wonders of the woods can be enticing, it's crucial to exercise caution. Prior knowledge and thorough research are essential before consuming anything found in the woods. So sit back and join us as we wander into the forest, where every step brings us closer to the ultimate mushroom jackpot. Will we uncover more hidden treasures? What secrets lie beneath the forest floor? Get ready to witness the thrill of the hunt and the joy of discovery.
Really got one. All right. Nice. Good. Oh yeah, hold that up for the camera. Beautiful. Boy, I hope we can find some more of those. Alright, that's the scoop, folks. Get back to you in a minute.
Oh, there's one. Oh, here's another. It's a little bug eaten, but we'll take it. Yep, but they're dried up.
Really?
Malformed.
Huh?
Malformed, but still they're here. Alright, so we're back home, and I just rinsed my morels a little bit in the water, just to get off any loose bugs and loose dirt. But I'm just gonna cut them up, and I think what we're gonna do tonight is dip them in a little beaten egg, and then dip them in some cracker meal. We like to use this. This is not sponsored at all, but we like to use this McCormick's cracker meal for fish. I figured it might be good on the morels, so this is an experiment. Just look inside for any bugs. Whoops, that was a little bit more pepper than I wanted. I'm just going to cut these bigger ones down a little bit. And just like that, they're ready to go in the frying pan. Alright, so I'm just going to heat up the skillet with a little cast iron, with a little butter, and just a touch of olive oil. Probably cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. You know, make sure the mushroom gets cooked inside and heat warmed up. But yeah, these look pretty good. Yum. Aren't those little nuggets of goodness? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to get the plate away from Gary.
They are amazing.
They are pretty good.
Wow.
I have to say.
That's the way to go.